Hey guys, I have a squishy haul and today I'm going to be showing you all my squishies. First I have this fake dumpling. I actually really like this one. I have this fake Needough glob one and I really like this one though. Then I have this Needough pup. I really like this one. I have this weird pig squishy. It's sand. Then I have this color changing Needough. I have the I Needough You. I have this crunchy squishy. I have the Needough fuzzball with a smiley face. I'm getting a new butter, but my brother broke it. I'll show you the other half. Here's the other half to the butter squishy. Don't worry, I'm getting a new one, and this was very cheap. I have this duck that I had it for a long time. Ugh, it's so bad. I have this dragon fruit. I have this bear squishy. It's kind of hard, but like, it has a Needough texture, and it was like at Five Below. Then I have this pop-up squishy, Target. Then I have this Needough cat, like this version of the Needough cat. I have this gummy bear squishy. I have this mini Needough ice cube. I don't know what this is, but like it's a pig nose with bunny ears, so like we're gonna call it a pig. I have the bazooka gum. Another bear squishy. This fake mini dumpling. I made a wubble wubble squishy. I have the giant banana, and by the way, if you're like wondering, should I take my hair out of the banana? Do not. It becomes like a flat, weird banana. But yeah. Then I have this carrot squishy. Recommend it. I have this jelly squish. I used to have the bottom of this Needough donut, but my brother destroyed it. That's all for today. Bye, guys.